Greetings. This week in Electricity and Magnetism Laboratory, we're looking at RC circuits. It's our first time to play around with currents that vary in time, time-varying things. So we have here a power supply. We'll set that to 5 volts, maybe a little bit of current to allow things to play out here. We also have a voltage probe that's going to record over several seconds, maybe 10 seconds, the voltage as a function of time. I've got this hooked up to my RC circuit across the capacitor, so I'll provide a close-up of this as well. The capacitor is an electrolytic capacitor, so we have to be careful about its polarity. We've got the negative side on the ground, which is connected directly to the ground of the negative terminal of the power supply. The positive terminal of the power supply is feeding this jumper wire, which goes through a resistor to the capacitor and charges the capacitor. Now, I could use this jumper wire as a switch. So now it's disconnected, nothing's happening. And after I've been charging up the capacitor like that, I can discharge it by flipping the wire around to connect it directly to ground. And now I kind of cut out the power supply out of the loop, and it's just the charge from the capacitor flowing around this little circuit through the resistor. So I let that discharge. And the trick to this lab is to use this jumper wire as a switch. I would hit my collect button and then right away plug in my jumper wire, so I start charging the battery or charging the capacitor. And then once I get to 10 seconds, finish collecting data, I can pull that jumper wire, and I start to take a new 10 seconds worth of data. I'll hit collect and immediately plug in the jumper wire to discharge it. So I've got 2 data sets now. I can charge the capacitor in one data set, discharge in the other data set. And I can fit those with the appropriate natural exponential curve so I can find my time constant from the graph. Good luck with this. A lot of it has to do with just making the circuit and making that square so everything works properly. But once you get that, the data comes out really nicely. Good luck with it. Have fun. See you in lab.